the name is Maxi, and we can't tell it Max.
Hello, Max.
Maxi wasn't scared while washing machine jumped.
Max. تعرف شو اللي رمضان لازم تصوم؟ هسا شو لازم يصير؟ بس انت ما اكلتش.
It's that spin cycle, and I put it to rapid wash. Really, I do it to rapid wash and fill it some water. I'm reviewing washing machine, Alright, this end of cycle. Programs kinda to delete. Okay.
Wash machine.
It's so paused. Let's put it right there. It's so paused. Thanks for watching, everyone.